A spell sealed that chest tight.
That might be worth a look.
Selûnite prayer, marked with the same symbol as the chest. I'll have to sully my tongue and recite it. Words, clearly. There's magic guarding this thing. Clearly.
Lost in thought.
There we go. Never knew prayer could be so practical.
Can't afford to stay idle.